guys, welcome to Drill Stack. We wanted to give you a quick demo video to give you all the necessary information so you can start testing, tracking, and ranking all of your athletes. So first and foremost, we're going to start on the home page on the Drill Stack website. You're going to go to Login, Event Manager/Judge Login. When you get here, you're going to put in your unique login credentials using the information we give you after we create your Event Manager account. So immediately it's going to take you to the event screen, and this is going to show you all of the events you've previously tested and give you the ability to add an event. So to add an event, just click on there and fill in the event name and any additional information you'd like. You can add an anonymous judge password, which you can use come testing day for your other coaches. You can upload an image, choose your sport, but the main thing here are the drills. And so we can do time drills. We can also have, if you have coaches at a different station in the weight room, we can do weightlifting drills. We can do sport and position-specific drills. Basically, if you can put a number on it, we can track and rank it. So you're going to select everything you'd like to test and scroll to the bottom and press Save. And after you do that, it's going to automatically add that event to this list here. Now, when it comes time to upload your roster, you have two options, but you're going to start by hitting Manage Athletes. And now you can either add or import. So if you want to add, this is the manual method. And all we need is the athlete's email, first name, and last name. The rest of this information, you don't have to waste your time on. The athletes can fill it out themselves in their athlete profile, which they get from us automatically when you add their email to the roster. The second option, which saves time, is to import. You can download our sample as a CSV file, and it's going to automatically have preloaded these headers. Do not touch the headers, do not change the headers, do nothing with the headers. All we need you to do is fill in, again, the athlete's first name, last name, and email. The rest of this information they can fill out themselves in their athlete profile. Once you've put in all the athletes' names and emails, make sure you hit Save, then find it using Browse, and you can upload your file, automatically uploading your roster to the event. Once you've uploaded your roster, you're now ready for testing day. So make sure that you download the DrillStack app on either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and log in using your Event Manager credentials.
Right now I'm in the roster view. You have a roster view and you have a drills view. Let's say you have a coach set up at the 40-yard dash station. Select the athlete that's up. You have a start-stop clock at the bottom. And then you can also manually enter a time yourself. Just click on the attempt, enter in the time, and click Save, and move on to the next athlete. At the same time, you could have a coach inside doing weight stations. So let's head to the squat. Select the athlete that's up, input the score. Let's say the athlete goes for attempt 2. The app will automatically save the best attempt. You can also total or average these scores out. Now, if you just want to see the athletes who haven't gone yet or haven't completed a drill, you can click on the filters, click Show Remaining Only, and it will only pull up the athletes who haven't gone yet.
All right, so as you're testing or when you finish testing, you can go back to the DrillStack web portal and you can pull up the rank board for your testing event. And so I say you can check as you're testing because this rank board is going to automatically refresh every 20 to 30 seconds, and it's going to pull in the data from your testing as it comes in. So you can constantly see these overall rankings update and the individual rankings update as you continue testing. To get to the rank board, all you do is click on this trophy icon within your Event Manager account. Now, if you have multiple events in your account, you'll use this drop-down arrow and just scroll to find the event that you're looking for. In this case, we're just going to use one of our demo accounts. It's automatically going to, by default, go to a point-per-place rank board type, which means it's going to give you a rank in each drill based off how you did on that particular drill. Your overall points are the sum of your rank per drill. And then think of it like a golf score. The lower the number, the better for your overall points. And that influences your overall rank, which is how we have it at the moment. Now, you can come through here and say, all right, that's great that we're seeing overall, but if you want to see a person's rank by drill, you can organize that way. You can do that for any of the drills that you've tested. You also have advanced filtering criteria. So if you just want to see female athletes who are 18 years old, it'll automatically filter down to people that meet that criteria and update their ranks accordingly. You can just exit out to deselect. And so this allows you to evaluate the talent and compare athletes against one another based off their performance in that event. All right, so the last big thing here is the event score chart feature. So to access these, you're going to go back to the event screen by clicking the calendar icon. and you're going to find your event that you're wanting to pull up. So we'll say summer 2017. I'm going to click the stats button here. And this is going to generate your event score chart. And again, just like the rank board, you're going to have these advanced filtering criteria to really hone in and refine your search. You can go through and see your high, your average, and your low for every single drill that you competed in that event. But then the big thing here is the compare feature. So now you can go in and compare it to another event that you've tested. So let's say I want to compare my summer of 2017 to my spring of 2017 to see how my program improved. And now you're going to get the side-by-side, and it's going to show summer 2017 first, spring 2017 second. So you want to see that improvement in the summer compared to the spring. And now you can see that change. You also have the graph view, the chart view, as well as the table view. And you can do this for any of the drills. And this will show you the change from one event to the other. So you can go through and see that for all of your drills. Again, you got the chart or the table view for each and every one of these drills. And this will help you track your progress of your athletes, of your coaches, to see if the programming you're doing is working, and really just assess your program as a whole. All right, so we touched on the athlete profile earlier, and now we're just going to give you a quick look at what a fully optimized athlete profile looks like. So you can see we're back on the rank board view now, and to get to the athlete profile as a coach, you just have to come in and click on an athlete's name, and this will pull up their profile. So you can see in this case that the athlete has uploaded an image. It has the athlete's name, and the athlete has the ability to basically edit all of this personal information. Everything below that, however, is only coach entry, so the athlete cannot change any of their own stats on any of these drills, which makes you know that the data is trusted. Just like everything else, the athletes do have advanced filtering capabilities, as you saw on the rank board in the event score chart. And as you just kind of saw, on the left here you have the drills that they've competed in, and it shows you their personal best as well as the overall best from the events they competed in. And as you select each drill, it's going to update what you're seeing on the right with the events. And this shows you a history of data, and you can hover and get the event name, the personal best for that athlete, and the overall best from that event. So this blue line here is showing you the overall best from the event, whereas the orange line shows you how this athlete did in that event. And you can see, hopefully, that this trend line is going up over time on a weightlifting drill, and hopefully down over time on a speed drill. And it shows you their drill stack rank as well as their percentile for that drill that you have selected. Now, if you keep scrolling, you have detailed performance, which just goes more in depth on their events, how they performed in all the events this athlete has competed in, as well as the drills that they've competed in.